Assalamu alaikum everyone. By the grace of Allah, I got offer letter, or I say letter of offer from College of New Caledonia, that is located Prince George, British Columbia. With letter of offer, they also sent me the invoice and they told me to submit 1 year tuition fee, and that is 10,000 CAD. So in this video, I will show you the letter of offer and the invoice. So let's go for it.
First of all, we see from the mail that they provide me a CNC student number, and then they told me that they attach a file, that is a letter of offer, and they also told me the program name and the beginning date, that is September 7, 2021, and also they told me that it has only 20 seats. After we getting the visa, they will confirm a seat for me, and then they send me the link where we have to pay my 1 year tuition fees, and the payment procedure I will make a video in future, inshallah. The last part of that mail is the PDF file, and that is the letter of offer. If we click the PDF file, we will see letter of offer, and the application number is here, and they provide me a name, address, and date of birth, and then gender. They also provide me that I applied by myself, and the date of offer is 10 March 2021, and it is a conditional offer, and we can get a letter of acceptance after paying 10,000 CAD. And then they told us that the program name, the level of study, and the program dates, and the application planned start date. They also said that the length of program is 2 years plus, year of studies first, status full time. In here they told me that what I uploaded and what I not uploaded. For seeing this checklist, they said that I haven't uploaded 10,000 CAD as a tuition fees yet. They also told me the refund policy. In that section, they told me that the application fees are not refundable, and the fees received by CNC are not transferable to any other institution, and international applicants are eligible for a refund only if it denies a student visa. If we don't student visa, then only then they will refund our 1 year tuition fees, otherwise not. In another page, and they told me what will be my next step, and there are 6 steps that I have to follow. The first one is that I have to upload all the required documents before pay my tuition, and the tuition deposit is due within 1 month from the date of the letter of offer, and the date of offer is 10 March 2021. So I have to payment my 1 year tuition fees through pay my tuition within 10th April 2021. Then the second step is that after CNC has received notification that our tuition deposit has been made through pay my tuition, we will receive an official letter of acceptance, and then we will apply our student visa. By the grace of Allah, after getting the student visa, we have to inform them to confirm our seat. Next step is that we have to arrangement our accommodation. On-campus housing is available at CNC, and off-campus housing and homestay options are also available. They provide me a link for housing. And the last step is that once we arrive Canadian border, Toronto or Vancouver, report that we are a student to Canada Customs or immigration official to receive our study permit. Thank you.